Yum.
After the visit to the old villages that cling to the mountain, let's change the rhythm of our journey at the Socotra Island. The land suddenly opens into something older, stranger, and almost untethered from the familiar world. Socotra Island rises from the Arabian Sea like a fragment of another planet, its coastline edged with white dunes and jagged limestone cliffs. Beyond the shore, the terrain shifts quickly. Plateaus stretch wide under a dry sky. Mountains lift in sharp ridges. Valleys cut deep through rock shaped by wind and time. The island feels exposed, raw, and unfiltered. Then the landscape reveals its most unusual presence. Dragon's blood trees rise from the highlands, unlike any forest elsewhere on Earth. Their canopies spread outward like inverted umbrellas, dense and geometric, undercasting circular shadows on the ground. Beneath them, the soil holds moisture in a place where rain is scarce. These trees shape their own microclimate, gathering life beneath their shade. Closer to the ground, other species emerge with equal defiance of expectation. Bottle trees swell with stored water, their trunks thick and smooth, tapering into sparse branches. Succulents grip exposed rock. Small shrubs adapt to wind that rarely rests. Nearly a third of the plant life here exists nowhere else on Earth, shaped by millions of years of isolation as the island drifted away from the African continent.
Yum.
Water appears in fragments. Seasonal streams carve narrow paths through stone. Hidden pools gather briefly after rare rains. Life responds quickly, then retreats again into resilience. The island holds a relatively small number of land mammals, yet its reptile and bird life reveal far greater distinction. Socotra hosts more than 30 species of reptiles, and almost all of them exist nowhere else on Earth. Geckos cling to rock and tree bark. Their bodies has evolved through millions of years to adapt to heat and dryness. On the other sides, skinks with bright colors move quickly across sand and stone, disappearing into narrow crevices where shade offers brief relief. Bird life adds another layer of identity. Several species are endemic, including the Socotra starling and the Socotra sunbird. Both of them evolve in isolation from mainland relatives. Their calls carry across valleys and plateaus, often the only sound in otherwise still
Thank you
landscapes.
for watching. See you
Egyptian
next time.
vultures circle high
God
above.
bless you.